Hey friends, okay, so I'm going to attempt to show y'all how to use Klarna, and I want to remind y'all, or let you know, in case you don't know, you can use Klarna for your personal shopping with your Mary Kay orders. So when you need products, or if you need to order inventory, take advantage of a flash sale, whatever it looks like. Maybe you don't have the funds or don't want to use your personal funds at the time, you can use Klarna. The other thing I especially love about Klarna is that you can use it for your customer orders or show them how to use it. So first things first is you want to make sure you're signed up for it, okay? So I'm going to attach my Klarna link so that I get a referral code on it, because why not? If you're going to sign up for it anyway, somebody might as well get the referral code or the referral link, or the referral fees, whatever it is you get. I don't even know the perks, but once you're signed up for it, you now have access. And then whenever you share it with your customers, and hopefully you grow a huge customer base, and they sign up for it and use it, then you also start getting those Klarna referral fees or whatever they give you. Okay, so anyway, I've got Klarna pulled up on my screen, as you can see. And I want y'all to look at the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says open. There's a blue, like oval thing, and it says open. I'm going to click on that now. And once I click on that, this is what you see right here. You see that this is my account. It's got my picture in the top left-hand corner. I'm going to come to the middle of the screen where it says search or type URL. And in that box, I am going to type in Mary Kay. And y'all could see I've already done it before. So it's going to automatically populate for me. Whenever you search it, you're going to click on the very first Mary Kay that has nothing else beside it. You don't want to click on that one below it, because that's going to mean a different Mary Kay consultant is going to get the credit for whatever is done, whatever purchases. The money's going to go to her instead of you. So click on the first one. I'm doing that now. This says Mary Kay. And then what you're going to do is at the bottom of your screen, go to the very, very bottom, and there is a K in a pink background. So look for the pink background with a K in the middle of it and click on that. Now this is going to pull up on your screen. It's going to say pay with Klarna. And of course it has Mary Kay with a pink K. And then it's going to create a one-time card. Click on that. Now here's what you do. The amount of what you want either you to personally apply for needs to include shipping and taxes. So you need to already know how much your personal order is, if it's for you that you're ordering from Mary Kay or your customer's personal order. So if you're helping them to apply for a Klarna credit card, you need to already know the exact amount they need to pay for the order in full, to include taxes, to include shipping. And this is the amount that you would put in this box right here, right now. And then after that amount is in there, then you would hit continue. I'm going to pretend I'm applying for $50 and hit continue. And at that point, you get to choose which option. Do you want to pay for it in 4 bi-weekly payments? So that's every other week. And you can do that. If you want to pay for it in all of today, if you pay for part of it today, it'd be $12.50. That would automatically come out. And then in 14 days, in 28 days, and in 42 days. So it divides it up into bi-weekly payment plans, whatever the amount is. And then you hit continue. And then you just kind of walk through the process. And of course, this is where you start applying. You're going to enter your social security number. I'm not doing that on screen and everything, but I just wanted to let you know I'm not actually applying for this. I'm backing out of this. I wanted to let y'all know exactly how easy